unicorn. No! Hi guys, today we're gonna make a Fruit Loop bracelet and we're gonna try to do some other projects. So first we start off as using, what's this, Mommy?
Pipe cleaner.
So first we're gonna start with pipe cleaner and then we're gonna turn it this way and then we're gonna turn it and then we're gonna twist it like this and then we're gonna take some Fruit Loops and then we're gonna put it on. And then it might come off, so it comes off. Do it again, so then it can be title. And then you start putting on the Fruit Loops. Try to do how many you can fit on or fit on your squares. Dad, I like Fruit Loops. Okay, so you're supposed to do these. So then we're gonna finish all this.
So at Mia's big sister's schoolhouse, you teach the little ones how to do this.
Yes.
Can you help Madalena?
Yeah, sure. So you find any of them on crust or can't fit, you eat them like this. You're gonna keep on doing it until we get to the end. So once you get to the end of this, if you get to let's your mom and dad to do this. Is like, are you like 1 year old or make sure or your parents like help you with this? But you only have a 2-year-old making it because 2-year-old Madalena, the assistant. That's the one way 2-year-old assistant, right? I done with this one.
Wow.
And I'm doing this way. Yep. Then.
And Mia, what are you making?
Like a bracelet.
A
And we
bracelet?
also going to give this away.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and it's free. And you have to subscribe and also like this video until the end, or then you won't get this. You guys want Fruit Loop necklace and mom says you can't have them? Why not buy it? And it's free. And whoever subscribes first gets this cool one or a group and a dark one.
Oh.
They can get this or this.
Maybe a bracelet, another type of bracelet. Okay. All right. So do you need another pipe cleaner?
No, this would be good for my wrist.
Oh, okay. That's all you need?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it on. Let's see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Twist it on. Now put it back on. Then I'll just plug it back on again. I'll put it back on again.
I don't think that's big enough.
Hold on, Mommy's gonna fix it. The person behind the camera is gonna do it. Mom, can you like put it around?
Yes.
Mom.
Hold on.
Okay, this is the next video. This is what it turned out. And then when your mom and dad all look, you go, like, what did you eat this? And they say, no, I just took a little bite because it's
Let's see. How does it work?
like this. You say when you're still in school and you say, oh, I'm hungry, and you go,
Let me see. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha! Mia.
yes, Mommy.
Eating Fruit Loops.
No, Mommy.
Telling lies.
No, Mommy.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha. So you can eat any color.
Madalena.
Yes, Johnny. Yes, Mommy.
Eating Fruit Loops.
Yes. No, Johnny.
Telling lies.
No, Johnny.
Open your mouth. All right, let's see the finished product.
Okay.
Yay!
Then you want to make a necklace you have to use how many for your neck. I'm using 2, so then I can use it as up here.
Ooh, so it only takes 2 pipe cleaners?
No, you want to make a headband, it only takes 2. You want to make a necklace, it takes 3.
Oh,
But
okay.
for little ones, it just takes 2 for little ones.
Oh, 2 pipe cleaners for a necklace?
For 2-year-olds.
Oh, okay.
You 6 years old is fine. Okay. Was that crazy?
Crazy.
Thanks to who behind the camera.
So now you're making the necklace?
And it says making a personal headband, and for only 6-year-olds, or 5-year-olds, or 4-year-olds, or 3-year-olds. Oh, they would get this on. They also can make one themselves. They just go to, Mommy, where did we get these? This?
Pipe cleaners?
Yeah.
I don't know. Daddy, where did we get the pipe cleaners? We gotta ask Grandma.
Okay.
I'm sure you can get them at Michael's though.
So you get them at Michael's or Michael's?
And maybe the grocery store.
I'm saying special questions.
How are you doing, Madalena?
Good.
Let's see how yours is coming along. Wow.
What
You're
about
almost done.
And I'm making this for, like the angel and your mom says, why are you eating your headband? And say that. You say nothing. Or you want to make a real one, you don't use pipe cleaner, you use this without one. This is from...
You're gonna put Fruit Loops on your headband?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, then you'd get food in your hair though. You silly girl.
Okay, now make sure to subscribe and like the video. We're gonna finish all of this in the next video. Bye! Peace out!